What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can get early access to the BullX trading bot. So let's get started. Now if you take a look in the description down below, you will be able to find a link to early access and below it an early access code if you already started with the account creation process. So from there, once you click my partner link, you will be redirected to the Telegram chatbot channel right here, through which you can create your BullX account. Now you will just need to select the start option. After the start option, you will be on the waitlist, and then you would need to input the code if it's required. But if you're using the link, the code will be integrated into the link. And from there, once you create your BullX account, you will get this message right here congratulating you to your early access, and there you can just click login right here. Once you log in, you will be redirected to this page right here on which you will be able to trade on BullX. And if you're already in this chat, you would just need to copy paste the code just like this, and then the same message will appear. So that's guys how you can get early access to the BullX platform right here. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and comment down below if it worked for you. Thank you for watching.